So today we will learn how to remove dark spots or pimple marks from a photograph so that it looks perfect. Okay, so you need to open photopea, and students, I want to tell you that the steps for photopea and Photoshop are totally same, so you can follow the same steps for Photoshop. Okay, so you need to open a photograph. I have opened the photograph, and let us make it zoom. Okay, then you go to this quick healing tool and keep pressing there, or if you are doing in computer, right click there. Then you will have to click on the patch tool and go to the pimple or the mark. You make it a round, means select it and drag it towards the clear screen. Okay, again I am doing this one I have selected, and towards down the skin is clear, so drag it little bit towards down. You will see your pimple or your dark mark has gone. Okay, here I will drag it towards right hand side because right hand side skin is clean. Okay, like that. Here again I am doing this, and I'll be dragging this towards a little bit upper side because upper side skin is clear. Again I am rounding and giving dragging down towards down because down side the skin is clear. Okay, so this is the way how you can clear your dark spots or pimple marks. See, all the pimple marks has gone. Fine. Now we will also adjust its brightness to make it or to give the face a beautiful white tone. Okay, so for that simply, okay, for before that we will also smooth it out. So you can go to that smooth or smudge option. Okay, from there and make the hardness 100%. Remember, you can increase the size of the brush and just drag it over your face to make your face smooth. Okay, give it a smooth look. You can do it that. Fine. So you just a little bit you make it zoom and just drag it over your face to give your face a smooth look. After that you will find if your face is not smooth, you will find your face is looking smooth. Okay, so this is the next step, and let us do it properly, nicely, and you will feel a difference. This picture which I have taken is already of fair tone, so you will not, maybe not properly visible, but if you take a unsmooth picture face, then you will feel it more. But anyway, then also it's looking good now, isn't it? So you can do it and adjust it accordingly. You can remove all the black spots and all. And next we will do the adjustment for giving it a good glow. So we will have to go to image and click on adjustment. Okay, and then brightness, simply increase the brightness a bit so that the skin glows. Okay, it gets a white tone, nice white tone. Fine. So that's all. Now you can see the difference between the face that I have started with, and this is the face, this is the result. Okay, so this is how you can remove your black spots or pimple marks if you see that your photograph is not looking good. So this was the old one, already removed 2 pimples, but anyway, and this is the new one. Okay, means this is the after the practical has been done. See, students, so I think you have understood, so try it yourself now.